Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make a stand in Please Donate game. So first of all you have to open Please Donate game on your Roblox app, and before starting you make sure to subscribe to our channel for more Roblox content. Now guys, you just need to look for any empty stand once you enter the game. So you can see that this stand is unclaimed. It means it is not claimed by anyone. So just need to stand next to this stand, and the stand button will appear here. You just need to hold this stand button and your game pass will be listed here. And once you claim your stand, your game pass, your stand has been created by you. So if you want to edit it, you just need to tap on this pencil icon over here. You can choose booth from here. Any booth you want, you can choose it. Fine, so I have choose this booth, and you can also edit text at the top. Like I'm gonna enter please donate me, please donate me. Okay, and after this you just once it is applied, just you can cancel it out. You can also change the font from here. You can choose any font and just you can cancel it out. And now you can see that my stand has been changed completely after applying the theme. So yeah, that's how you can make your stand. And if you haven't made your game passes, your item will not be shown here, so you have to create your own game pass. I already made a video on that, how can you create your game pass on Roblox. Once you create your game pass, once you set it up for the sale, you can your game pass will be appear here after claiming the stand. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye.